In drug development, there is a common challenge, which is to find a good drug for the disease and to improve the clinical phenotype and the patient life. But for rare diseases, the main difficulty is to find a drug development process with a business model that fits with the requirements of the investors and the requirements of drug development. Our aim is to develop drugs for rare mitochondrial diseases. We have a really streamlined process to identify new drugs for rare diseases, in particular primary mitochondrial diseases. And so we use 3 steps to identify these clinical assets. Step 1 is an in silico analysis to predict and to select potential drugs that could be efficient in mitochondrial diseases. The step 2 is on these hits from the in silico analysis to do a medico-economic analysis to isolate, to select the drug with the most commercial and clinical value. And at the end, the third step was to validate all these predictions and analysis using patient fibroblasts in an in vitro experiment to validate the efficacy of the drug. And all of that means that we have a drug with a high clinical and commercial value that would allow us to accelerate our clinical development. We are at a crucial point for Reventus. Our aim is to initiate a clinical trial in Q1 2027, which is really soon from now. And right now we have a lot of work to do to prepare this clinical trial. So the aim of the whole process is to be able to initiate a clinical trial in patients, not to repurpose drug to re-initiate a clinical trial in healthy volunteers. We would like to move forward in patients really quickly. And we have, so far, I'm knocking on wood, but so far we have only green lights to move forward down this path. To make the path for other companies or even other academic researchers that want to repurpose drugs for other kind of rare diseases, and to say, okay, we now have a process that has a business model that fits with the market of rare diseases, which is financeable in a sense that could interest investors to come in and to invest in this kind of developments, because one, the time of development to the cost of development now fits with the market of rare diseases.
Tecnimede Open Innovation Competition.
Join the pharma revolution.